Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video. Have items from AliExpress, Queenacraft, HSN, Tuesday Morning, Little Birdie, and Waffle Flower. So let's get started. From AliExpress, I picked up these clear slimline die envelopes. I was watching Tina, who is Crafty Bean here on YouTube, and she showed these, and I knew immediately I wanted some. And they're heavyweight, perfect for your slimline dies, and it's 10 in a pack. And I've already put my slimline dies in them, and this is how it looks. I did have to cut the paper a little bit for them to fit, but perfect and love it. Thanks, Tina. From Queenacraft, I picked up this Wavy edge storage box. It's what it looks like, and I did cut it out. I cut it, and it's super cute. You could put, you know, your candy or whatever you want to give away and decorate it very cute. But it came together perfectly. It ran through my Cuttlebug and cut perfectly one time through. So that's the waffle edge storage box. And then I picked up these hollow heart balloon. Let's see. There's a 3-piece set, and it's a flag die. Let me show you what they look like. So you get the hearts and the little banner, and then you get these hearts, which you can see I didn't book out the remnants. And this is how they cut out. So here is the one. I think I bent it when I pulled it out, so I cut that piece off. And then here's the little banner, which I really like. Super cute. And then the heart banner, which is super cute and won't stay in my hand. And if you look these up on Queenacraft, the hollow heart balloon flag die, they have heart spelled wrong. So it's spelled, I think H-E-R-A-T. So that's from Queenacraft. And then last from Queenacraft, I picked up these flat back peach half striped pearl hearts. And I don't know, they're not as pretty to me as I expected. I don't know what I expected, but I don't think I like the stripe part. So you'll see what I'm talking about when I show them up to the camera. Let me turn them over so you can see. So they have a little pattern. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe on that pink one there. Little pattern on them of stripes. And they're okay. There it is on the silver one. I don't know. They'll be cute, I guess, to adhere to a few cards. And so that's what I got from Queenacraft. Now from HSN, I picked up some Anna Griffin products. I picked up these Christmas box cut and emboss folder. So this is the Snowflake. And so you run it through your die cutting machine, and it embosses and cuts at the same time, which is awesome. Look how pretty that is. And this is the Snowflake. And then this one is the Wreath. Look at the detail in that. And it ran beautifully through my Cuttlebug, so I was totally excited. Oh, I picked up two more. These are the, let's see, this is the Harvest layer. And this is what it looks like. So pretty. I should have cut these out in gold. They would have made a huge impact in the gold paper or silver. And then this one is called the Harvest Wreath. It's just really pretty, detailed. The camera is picking it up beautifully. Very nice. And also from Anna Griffith, I picked up this, I always say Anna Griffith, but it's Anna Griffin. I picked up this one. It's called the, I think it's Mini Fans die set. Yeah, Mini Fans die set. I'm kind of on the fence about this one. Let me show you. what the dies look like. And it may be just the paper that I use, just this sample cut. I was just like, I don't know, these are not very pretty. But like I said, it could have just been the paper. So here's one. And I put it on this pink paper. And I don't know why I chose this extremely loud. It's not coming off as loud as it really is. It's a really loud pink. And then here's the little, like the decoration you could put at the bottom of a fan. So, I don't know. This is the mini fan die. So, yeah, mini fan die set. So it's a 4-piece set. I only cut this one out. Yeah. But, I think I'll keep it. So that was from HSN. Went to Tuesday morning, and I'm just not finding a lot that I want. Plus, I'm trying not to buy a lot as I'm showing you my craft haul. But this is from Spellbinders. This is from Tuesday morning, and it's the Sweetheart Swirl Die Set. It has 4 dies, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it cuts out really pretty. And I sample cut this one for you guys to see. So this is what it cuts out, you know, if you run it by itself, but then you put the layer, this is the first one by itself, and then you put this one in with it, and then you can get this cut like this. You know, I can barely say that, huh? It's really pretty. And that's my Spellbinders. And then from Sizzix, I picked up this sweet little stamp set, die set. It's a Thinlit, and it's the Rain Boot Planter. And I've seen these, you know, in stickers and in chipboard, but I was excited to see the actual die set. But what I failed to look at on the back was all the pieces. It comes with 17 pieces. So it's a lot. So I'll show you my example here. Let me get a piece of paper to show you. So here's the boot, and I cut it out with some, you know, this brown paper, and then I use a darker brown for the strap and another little darker colored, I think black, for the buckle. And then I started cutting the flowers out, and then the leaves, and yeah, it's a lot. But it is cute. And I didn't even get to all the flowers. I was just like, whatever, I just wasn't feeling it the day I did this, but I'm pretty sure I'll be more enthusiastic when I use it for a card. So that was from Tuesday morning, that's all. Oh no, I'm sorry, I did have some chipboard. So now when you go to Tuesday morning, sometimes they have the chipboard tied together, so you get 2 pieces, and this is $4.99, and this is Bella Boulevard's Chow Chip, and it's kind of like a summer, springtime theme here. It's tropical. And then on the back side, you get the Wish Big. This is what this one's called. It's kind of a birthday for a girl. It's cute. And this one is actually called Island Escape. So that's it from Tuesday morning. And so yeah. And next I have some items that I purchased from Little Birdie. I picked up these Valentine embellishments, lots of love, 8 pieces. Thought these are really cute. Just make a card really easily out of these. It has all the different sentiments for Valentine's. And then I picked up the Say It With Roses, the blush set. It's really cute. Once again, these are for really quick cards, which I seem to be making lately. And this one is called, I think, Nora. Yeah, Nora Celebrate Life. 6 pieces. It's really pretty flowers. And this one is called Birthday Wishes, 6-piece. I think these will go great with my cards because, you know, I use the craft color card base for all my cards. So I thought, yeah, I'm getting those. And then this one is called Good Time, and it's 8 pieces. Okay, so next from Waffle Flower. I picked up this really nice stamp and die set. It's the Essential Sentiments stamp and die set. Has some awesome little sentiments on here. Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, Best Wishes, Love you always, Get well soon, Thank you, Thinking of you, Keeping you in my prayers, Congrats to you, and hello. And it comes with, you can get the dies, which I got also. So Waffle Flower makes some really nice stamp sets, and I was really excited to receive this one, purchase it rather. And then here's the actual dies cut out. They stamp beautifully and they cut out beautifully, so these will make some lovely cards. So that's it. That's my haul. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment below what you liked about the haul. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.